Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Soup Quaker updated. Start by toasting Quaker oats lightly, then simmer them in stock and milk, stirring to avoid clumps. Add sautéed aromatics, shredded vegetables, and cooked proteins for texture. Season gradually with salt, pepper, and a splash of acid to brighten. Finish with butter and a sprinkle of herbs, then rest briefly off heat so flavors meld before serving now. I'll walk you through pantry choices and quick swaps for a smoother Quaker soup. Use low-sodium stock to control salt and blend a portion for creaminess without cream. Introduce quick cooking proteins like shredded rotisserie chicken or canned beans for convenience. Adjust thickness with a little cornstarch slurry or extra stock. Taste often and balance salt, acid, and fat, aiming for a comforting bowl with layered flavors. To fix grainy texture, simmer longer and whisk vigorously while adding warm liquid. For thin soup, blend some oats and vegetables to thicken naturally. If too salty, dilute with unsalted stock or add potato to absorb excess. Cool quickly, then refrigerate within 2 hours in shallow containers. Reheat gently over low heat and stir to reincorporate separated fats for a smooth finish. Label containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.